You want to know a question I get asked more than any other question? I was going back through some old videos of mine and I noticed that I used to do these what's for dinner videos that you guys used to seem to like. It's been a super long time since I've done one, so welcome to today's video. So for tonight's meal, I am just preparing some chicken and potatoes and vegetables. I'm using some boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I'm just going to cut it in half and chop some potatoes and lay this all into a baking dish. I got some fresh rosemary from out of my garden. And so after I season the food, I'm going to lay that rosemary on top. Yes, fresh rosemary is everything. Here I'm using a bit of Lawry's seasoning salt, a little bit of garlic salt, some black pepper, some onion powder, and a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. I'm gonna lay on my fresh rosemary, pop that bad boy in the oven. And that is what is for dinner. I ended up making rice because the potatoes were not enough. So there's rice and gravy with potatoes, green beans, and chicken breast. I actually didn't have any foil to put on my chicken breast in the oven, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, welcome. Feel free to take a look around at any of our other videos. To support this channel, please give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys. Oh, and if you're interested in checking out some of those old what's for dinners, I will link them below.